The Profil tension system makes the creation and tensioning of a PVC sign child's play. The system can be directly placed onto a wall, a vehicle or a frame. The tensioning system consists of three parts: the TSW channel, the plastic TS grip, and the TS key, which is used to ensure a neat finish. The first step in the construction of this 3 by 1.2 meter sign is to cut the tension system to fit the frame. All three elements are cut together with 45-degree angles at the ends for a perfect fit. Fasten the channel to the frame with either self-drilling screws, pop rivets or any other suitable fixing method. Now that the channel has been fastened to the frame, position the graphic. The graphic should be printed with a 50mm bleed to make sure that no unprinted areas are visible after framing. Next, you remove the 45-degree angle from the TS grip. The TS grip has one smooth side and one toothed side. The smooth side of the TS grip is inserted facing inward and is knocked towards the outside. The toothed side then grips the PVC to create tension in the graphic as you fasten it. Knock a small section into the center of each side to make sure the graphic is positioned correctly and to set the basic tension. From the center of each side, you start working towards the corners. The tensioning system does the tensioning as you knock it in. It is not necessary to pull on the graphic to tighten it. The strip can easily be removed should you need to reposition the graphic or insert a new graphic. Next, you push in the TS key, which makes for a neat finish. The excess print is removed from the edges with a sharp blade. The Unistrut system allows the completed sign to be attached to poles of various diameters. The Profil tension system can easily be used to apply a sign to a circular frame. It is not necessary to bend the aluminium TSW channel, as it will easily take the circular form. Again, fasten the channel to the frame with a 300mm spacing between the screws. Position the frame on the graphic and mark 50 to 100mm around the frame. Cut out the sign in the shape of the frame. Cut slits at the edge of the graphic at 100mm intervals for easier tensioning. Position the graphic on top of the frame. Use 4 small offcuts as keys to pre-tension the graphic. Knock in the TS grip with the smooth side first. Remove the small keys as you insert the larger measured segments. In the same way as before, the graphic is tensioned by the TS grip as you knock it in. Insert the TS key into the frame by hand. Lastly, trim the excess print off for a perfectly tensioned circular sign. Again, the Unistrut system can be used to attach the sign to any diameter pole. For tensioning fabrics, use the Salto flexible fabric tension system. Start off by measuring the segments to the frame and cut the ends at 45-degree angles. Use self-drilling screws to fix the system to the frame, positioning the screws 500mm apart. Position the fabric on the frame and use the Salto textile insert tool specifically designed for the system to insert the material. Tack a small section of material in the middle of each side to set the basic tension. From there, insert the material working towards the corners. With the Salto tension system, the fabric is tensioned as you insert it. To finish off, simply remove the excess material with a blade.